My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and I'm going to walk through a 2016 Formula 330 CBR. Staying on the swim platform, it's an extra wide platform, cup holders on each side, nice sun lounging area, and then it has a plastique material, so it's made to look like teak, feel like teak, but doesn't have all the maintenance that teak requires. Stepping onto the boat, it has a nice radar arch with a bimini top off the back. Cockpit seating with a little corner table, cup holders throughout the boat, even along the back wall. Cockpit refrigerator on the port side. Nice wet bar and sink above that. Forward lounge seat. And additional seating on the starboard side, and then these seat backs actually flip either direction if you want to face forward or face back. A double wide helm seat with flip up bolsters on each seat. The boat's powered by Twin Mercruiser 350 horse 6.2 liter engines, marine electronics, joystick docking system, trim tabs to control for your autopilot, skyhook. Quick look down below. Nice little cabin sleeping space for two with a little head on the starboard side. Plenty of seating up in the bow with the optional table. The base is right there. And windlass anchor. CBRs are known for having the offset entry up to the bow, which I like because it opens up the availability to seat three forward as opposed to traditional, two, one on each side of the entryway. This boat's currently located at our Marblehead, Ohio facility. Again, my name is Eric. Please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any one of your local SkipperBud's representatives to set up a showing.